I have shown you in the past several different ways to make monogram wall art using letters, but today's video is going to be about doing it a different way by adding some texture. But before I get into this video, if you're new to my channel and you want to make money online, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading about how to make money online. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my How to Make Money with Me Online email, I will leave a link to that in the description below so you can sign up for my email list and you will get so much more that way. I'm also going to be sending out emails only 2 or 3 times per month, and you're going to get a lot of insider tips and find out exactly why I am doing what I'm doing and all the juicy secrets. So let's get into the video. So I'm an iPicky.com, and if you've been following my channel, you know I'm a huge fan of this site. So I wanted to show you one that I've done before. So I'm going to click on my photo library, and if you all remember this one, I showed you how to make this by adding some copper foil over the top of a black letter, and we added some watercolors to the design. Now you can actually do the entire alphabet this way if you wanted to. So there's so many different ways, and that's what I wanted to get into today. So we want to make sure that we click in the designer. And I'm going to show you a couple of different ways where you can just add a little bit more to your monogram letters. I'm going to create an 8x10, and I'm going to show you one way to do it that I really liked and thought was kind of cute. And then I'm going to show you how to add some texture. So we're going to click on an 8x10 and we're going to click create. So here is our 8x10 template. So I am actually going to add some black and white. Before I do that, let me put the letter. So I'm going to use my letter A, and I'm going to pick out a font. So I always pause this when I do that so you don't have to watch me scrolling. Okay, so I picked out my font, and now I want to add some gold foil glitter. And we just take the paper and we completely cover the letter. And then right here, all you have to do is click lighten. And then that takes the paper and it puts it behind the text. So we are left with the letter A. So I'm going to go ahead and save this image right here. To my desktop. So now that it is saved to my desktop, is what we need to do is we need to hop over here to lunapic.com and we're going to take out the background. So that it is a transparent background and we are left with just the gold glitter letter. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're going to click apply. And then we are going to save this image as a PNG file. And it's going to throw it down here in the bottom left-hand corner. And it's going to open it up and we are going to save this as a PNG file. Okay, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to save this image. Save as. And then I always just like to put .png at the end. It's not necessary because it's always going to save it as a PNG. as long as you take out the JPEG off the end of it. So we now have this in a transparent background. So I'm going to jump back over here to iPicky.com and I'm going to click New, Discard, and I'm going to go to an 8x10 again and we're going to click Create. So I'm going to go back down here and try to find some digital paper that I really like right here. Now I have seen this done a few different ways. Okay, and you don't ever have to worry about anything hanging off of the edge here, because when we go to save this, it's actually going to, it won't include what's hanging off of the edge. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add some pink digital paper. Glitter paper. Okay, and then I'm going to click Lighten. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to upload the letter that is in gold foil. And we need to make sure that we're selecting the PNG version. Now we can just drag this over here and put this on our design. And I have seen this done this way before. I'm going to go ahead and save this image. So this is what our final design looks like. I think the only thing I should have done is left a little bit more of the black over here instead of making it just white, so it doesn't look like it has just 3 lines going down. But I think you get the idea here. Okay, so we're going to click on the designer and we are going to discard this image because we have completed it, and we're going to make an 8x10. And you can do whatever size you want, and you can also offer different sizes. So here is our 8x10 template, and I'm going to once again add the letter A. And I'm going to show you, after I change the font, what all you can do with this texture. So I picked out my font, and I'm going to show you what you can do with several different digital papers. We're usually so concerned about decorating around it that we forget to actually decorate the letter itself. So I have uploaded a few digital papers, and I just wanted to show you what all you can do. Now this is a marble texture, and I think this is so beautiful. So if we click Lighten, this is what we have right here. And you can even put this like on a colored background if you would like to do that. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple more of what you can do. If you just want a true like marble texture, you can click Lighten, and see that doesn't really show up that much on that one because it's a little bit too light. So let's go ahead and try just a few different textures here just to show you what you can do. And there's another texture. And I really like this one. It's just black with some gold design elements. And I usually like to make the paper bigger just so you can kind of move it around if you would like. I'm going to actually save this one Okay, so I'm going to try just a few more digital papers. Here's another pattern right here. And we are going to click lighten. And then there we go. We have decorated our letter and that looks so beautiful. Now you can put this on a colored background if you would like, or you can sell them on Etsy just like they are, just like this. I'm going to also go ahead and save this one as well. I'm actually going to blow this up a little bit just so you can see the pattern. And I think I love this a whole lot. I love it. Okay, so let me show you just a few more of what you can do with textured digital paper. We're going to add something really cool like this. And we're going to click lighten. And I'll blow this up a little bit more so you can see that. I'm going to go ahead and save this one as well. And then I'll show you just one more because I think you're getting the idea here of what you can do with digital paper. And you can purchase these papers on Etsy. They're not much at all. You can get them anywhere from $1.96 to like $6. It just really depends on what you're doing here. So let's see here. We've done that one. And then I'll try doing something like this. We click lighten, and then you can see the paper and how it looks on there. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Also, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification. You don't want to miss out on any future videos about making money online. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.